Hey everyone, it's Dylan King. I am here inspecting another house on behalf of Home Buyer Louisiana. So we are actually in New Orleans and in the Broadmoor area. So it's a very popular area. The structures are very sought after. And the structure actually, when I'm first entering here, seems to be in pretty good condition. I'm going to walk you through and kind of see what I'm seeing here. But it's a valuable property. The owners just have, it's kind of like, it's a big property. It's just under 5,000 square feet because it is an upper and a lower level, just over 2,000 square feet on each. So we're just under 5,000. It's a sought after area. It's a valuable property, but there is a lot of kind of like just over the years wear and tear on a property this big. That can easily add up for a family depending on their situation and their resources. On top of that, we do hear that they are struggling with some insurance coverage that was needed. So all of it together, it's just super stressful. So what do? They went to homebuyerlouisiana.com, told us about this property, told us how to get in touch with them. And here I am inspecting just to kind of get the lowdown on it. And we're going to buy this house for cash. So let me show you around a little bit here. Looks good. Some things just kind of outdated. You can see they have some stuff remaining in here. The other good thing is you don't have to do any repairs. So you see the wear and tear here on the floors, like clearly a lot of wear and tear, some grime on there, but they're not going to have to repair anything. So we buy it as is, and even all the stuff in here, they are going to be able to come in and have a chance to remove the items that they do want to keep for whatever reason. And beyond that, they can leave everything else behind. So if you have a property that you need help with, it's just stressing you out, and for some reason listening with a real estate agent just like isn't the best route for you, go to homebuyerlouisiana.com, tell us about the property, tell us how to get in touch with you, and we can help you out. So let me show you around a little bit more. Like I said, it is a sought after area. It's a pretty decent structure. It does have some upkeep that needs to be done. Like you can see, there's like a lot of stuff here, and it's fine. We see this all the time. This is what we do. So I'm going to walk through here. You can see I'm literally even like climbing on top of a mattress to get back here and show you guys. Let me flip around. So this is really the only room I see damage in. I can't quite figure it out. See, my first thought is, oh yeah, this must be like water damage. I see some mold going on. You know, you can see all of that here. I'm seeing mold. I'm thinking water damage. But then it's not from the ceiling because the ceiling's fine. Okay. And then I see here in the bathroom, there's more of this. I see, I'm not quite sure what all that is going on there, but it kind of seems to be the source. But that's fine because it is what it is. These homeowners need our help, and that's exactly what we're here to do. I'm just here to do an inspection. I'm not here to tell them yes or no. I'm just here to get my eyes on it and know exactly what type of property we are acquiring. So go to homebuyerlouisiana.com, tell us about the property, tell us how to get in touch with you, and let us buy your house for cash and help you out. As is, leave everything in there and don't worry about fixing anything.